Hello, coders! Welcome to this tutorial on how to join Code Area, Areon Network's hackathon with a $500,000 prize pool. Start by visiting Code Area official website. You can find the details of the event and the latest announcements here. Click on the register button. You will be redirected to our type form for signing up. Each hackathon team member should fill out this form. Our hackathon will end with a final ceremony in Istanbul. Joining the event is optional for all participants. If you already have a Web3 project to submit, this is where you can tell us. Code Area lets you find teammates. Just select the best option for you. Continue by giving details about your project. This question is optional. Tell us more about your project. Your mentorship needs, and whether you are a student or not. And that's about it. Your registration is now complete. Your next step is visiting Areon's Discord server and meeting our community. Our Discord server is packed with activities and chat rooms. It is a perfect place to find yourself teammates or to book a session with our mentors. And when you are ready to start building, it is time to jump right in. Give the world the next best Web3 project, and Areon Network will support you. That's it. Happy coding!